how are we going to get our whānau to come back to use the marae the way it used to be? Because a lot of our maraes, we're like short on the pie, for instance, for kaikōrero, especially during the week, because most of our whānau work. Also, we've lost so many kuia koroua, so now the next generation is trying to pick up, you know, but we aren't all together yet because COVID really separated us, and so we're still trying to do that, and we still need to get together to pinpoint what it is that we can do to help our whānaus, you know, to get them to come back to the marae, because everyone's trying to survive, everyone's working with their kids, tamariki. I have nieces and nephews who got tamariki and they spend all weekend taking them to sports, but we're needing a little bit of their time for the marae, and that's what we've got to try and work out, how can we do that, because that's what our kuia, so there's 4 kuia that were instrumental in the building of our marae, and one was Puea Tikani Smith, Riria Alice Tikani, Titia Tikani, and my grandmother Ngāwiki Dixon. Now their whakaaro was they wanted to build a marae for the use of our whānau, and I've always followed that whakaaro because I think it's a good one. I think that's what maraes are built for.